Hello my crafty friends. For the 6th card in my full deck challenge, I'm going to create a shaker box style card. I'm first going to start with the background. I'm using a piece of tissue paper from a dress pattern and I'm adhering that to the card with some Mod Podge. I am using some of the text from the pattern because I do like that to shine through. Then I have this napkin that I'm going to use. I'm trying to use the neutral tones of it, not really the bright pinks, more the beiges and the light blue and the black. For this too, I'm using the Mod Podge to adhere it to the card. I'm adding one more layer of Mod Podge over the napkin. This is to protect it and seal it. I'm going to be using a piece of knitting, also known as tulle, as the final step of my shaker box. But first we need to fill it up with the goodies. I'm using whatever I have in my stash. I have confetti, I have these little flower gems, I also have sequins. I'm using all the colors that I have. I just like the pinks, turquoises and golds. And if you don't have anything to put in, you can actually make your own confetti. I'm using colored cardstock and my hole punch, and I'm using that to make my own confetti. I also have little shaped punchies that I'll be adding for additional interest. I like mine pretty full, so I've really loaded it up. I tried using a coarse netting, which I thought was a bit too hard and thick. I also tried a piece of organza, which didn't work, and I've then found a fine netting. I then went with my sewing machine and sewed all the way around to seal it. And there's the little pieces going back and forth. Going to trim the thread and tulle all the way around, and we're nearly done. This one was really quick and easy. When I punch a hole so I can put it onto my ring, I'm going to have to put an eyelet in, otherwise the little gems will fall through the hole. So just press that through with my crocodile and the card is ready. I really hope you enjoyed this super quick video on making a little shaker box altered playing card. You could also use this technique for your journals or for other projects. I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you can get notifications of all my new videos that come out. I hope you feel inspired and I'll see you again soon. Bye.